Yes, that is 2 gigantic boxes in my room. Welcome to move out day. No, it's not move out day. It is 2 days before I move out of my room. And I'm gonna take you guys along on this moving process, literally moving from this room to my new flat. Wait, hold on. What? Let's rewind a little, shall we? In my last Maddie's moving video, I showed you guys the different flat viewings that me and my flatmate did and the apartment that we ended up choosing in the end. Done kitchen. Look at that, guys. Tiny closet and it barely fits the bed. The thing is, this is facing north, so you wouldn't get any sun. This flat number, I think we're on 4 now. Love these cupboards with like shelving units. So welcome to the second episode of Maddie's moving, where I'll be taking you guys along in the whole moving process. Let's go. But it's still going to be an exciting time because my new flat I'm sharing with my flatmate or future flatmate Louise, which is my friend from uni. You might know her from a couple of videos. We're moving in together. It's super exciting. So I'm moving from a studio to a flat. So I need to pack down my whole room today and then the rest of it tomorrow and then move out on Wednesday. Also, this video is sponsored by Love Space, which actually got me these boxes and are going to help me move. More on Love Space later, but first let's just go ahead and start like preparing my room to be empty. So my plan for today is like packing down all the stuff that I don't use on a super regular basis. Also, I want to clean the items that I'm gonna be bringing with me so that they're like clean when I get to my new flat. So where should I start? I have a couple of like storage areas in my room. So I'm just gonna, I think, like start by packing those things. This is literally a box with boxes inside. Okay, let's start with 2 cardboard boxes. The first area we're handling is this. That was most of my shoes. Great. I'm also probably gonna find a bit of like not trash but stuff that I can't use anymore, like for example this old tripod which broke, so I'm gonna separate the stuff that's going to be thrown away here on the floor. Can't get used to letting you go. I hope you know that I don't want to go nowhere, cause I need you in my life. Oh, I need you by my side, yeah. We can go somewhere to be alone on our own. If you want, I can show you just how much I need you in my life. Oh, I need you by my side, yeah. I need you. That was all. Okay, so before I go ahead and pack down like most of my kitchen stuff, I think it's due time that I like actually wash my kitchen, just so that like when I know I get to my new flat, all the stuff looks nice. I don't have to like re-clean it. So I already cleaned up all my dishes, so now what's left is just to clean the milk steamer, coffee machine, the whole utensil situation. Oh my god, would you look at how like nice my kitchen looks? All perfectly organized, so clean, and I'm gonna pack it all down. Packing down the kitchen might be the last thing I do, just because I'm gonna use it for cooking dinner later. But I think the first thing we're gonna be packing is clothes. She just wants to dance with me, but I can't feel her melody. You know that she's been drinking all night. So we're come to the last day. No, this is not the last day. This is moving day. I just also realized that my microphone wasn't working like half of yesterday, so I feel very annoyed about that one, but that was not an important day. Today is an important day. As you can tell, there's boxes there and there are boxes over here, and I'm like packing down the last of all my items today. I'm packing down my bed, the remaining stuff from my kitchen. But before we get into the last packing part, I want to talk a little bit more about Love Space. So Love Space is the UK's biggest storage by the box company, and they help students store their stuff and belongings over the academic holidays. I really wish I would have used Love Space last year, because when I moved out in COVID and all the drama, blah, 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 I got my friend to help me store my stuff, and half of it was ruined because it was stored in a cellar with water damage, I think. I had to buy so many new things, and so I highly recommend like not storing your stuff with friends, even though you trust them, because that's what I did. So basically, Love Space works this way. You pay by the box, so you pay for each box that you store your stuff in, and you don't rent out an entire storage space. That's what what makes this service much more affordable. The boxes are stored in secure 24/7 CCTV monitored security storage facility, and they also provide free insurance for up to £100 per box that you store with them. With Lovespace, you simply book your free collection online, decide how long you'd like to store your stuff for, and then order the return of your stuff whenever and wherever you need it. So today I'll be trialing Lovespace domestic shipping service, and that basically means, well, first of all, I packed all my stuff in Lovespace boxes, and then a Lovespace driver will come out here and pick up all my stuff and then store it in their facilities short term, and then they will redeliver it to my next address, which I'm moving to in about a week's time then. So I'm not moving out to my next flat today. I don't have the keys yet, but this tenancy is over now, so I'll continue this vlog then, and you won't notice a week has passed, but I will. Also, I got you guys a little promo code. Go ahead and use Maddie10 at checkout, and you'll get £10 off storage with Lovespace. Anyway, let's get on with packing down my kitchen. Okay, so the mover is coming in not too long, but I'm gonna start moving things, I think, out to reception just so that my room isn't crowding up in like boxes. Yeah, let's move some stuff out of this room. Last round. So this is my neighbor, Rico.
Hey.
And I gave him my remaining like food that I got from the beginning that I haven't eaten.
And she's gonna go all the way to the supermarket for me.
Yeah.
So I'm in quarantine.
Yeah.
She's very nice.
So he can't leave the building. Why did I say she? Anyway, I'm going to the supermarket for him because he can't leave his room.
Thank you, Maddie.
Bye, neighbor. Okay, so I've lined up all my stuff in the post room next to reception. So this is super funny. Look at all this stuff. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes and 2 of these bags, duffel bags. And now I'm just waiting for the driver who said he would be here in about 5 minutes. So. Also, just want to pop in quickly and say a big shout out to my mover, Ozan. He was so lovely and so helpful throughout the whole process. And he also happens to have a YouTube channel, which is with him and his wife. I just think it's super cute. So if you guys want to support a really awesome guy, then yeah, definitely do. But anyways, back to the video. Guys, bringing up the boxes. Oh, this elevator just got them delivered on my door. I'm so tired. This is my 3rd round. God. Okay, so these are half of my boxes. I stacked them up here because they are supposed to go in the living room or kitchen area. As you can tell, it says kitchen. So let's just start by dealing with these boxes. Let's just unpack the kitchen and like living room boxes.
Think I'm gonna go to sleep again and wake up alone on the floor, 'cause I feel haunted in my bedroom.
Hello, Louise. Hi. Louise just got here and I'm moving in my stuff to the bathroom. This is my bathroom, as you guys know. It has the ventilator thingy, so it makes a bit of noise. So I'm just gonna cue some music and move our stuff in.
'Cause you ought to know nothing about you makes me nervous. I feel right at home.
Cleared up even more boxes. These are the winter clothes. What else is there? Plants. So let's open one of the boxes before I'm gonna go do some food shopping because I'm so sweaty from like carrying these boxes, and I think I need a break for today in terms of like packing and stuff. I also have the biggest headache because I got my period today, which is fun. But I think I'll undo one of these boxes now and then we'll go do some food shopping. It's too big. Maybe I'll put it over there. That's a better option. put up some of my pots, I guess we could say, flower pots. There's no flowers in them, so I have to get some flowers, plants, basically. This one is dying, not because I forgot to water it, but because I was away for 4 months. I'm trying to like keep life in it, but it's proving very difficult. I'm back from the grocery shop. Got some goods.
to bring you coffee or a cigarette.
I'm gonna go and unpack some of my clothes because I haven't done that yet. Oh, I have so many boxes in my room. Just look at that. Good morning, everyone. It is my first sleep in the flat. Just look at this. I haven't had sun in a place that I've lived in London. Morning sun or evening sun for that sake. Never. I've never had it. So happy that I woke up to like sun in my eyes even though I had to use my sleeping mask. Yeah, it's so nice waking up in a flat where you have morning sun. Even though I have like 10 boxes that we need to deal with today. So yeah, Louise is doing interviews for her society because we're recruiting more people. So I'm gonna go tackle the boxes. Oh, this night table is a mess. I'm so sorry you have to see that. I did a lot of stuff in terms of my closet yesterday, but we're still missing a lot of stuff. So we're gonna move my suitcase into the closet, basically. So I just got out of the shower. I desperately needed that. I was super sweaty from yesterday. And now I'm doing the last thing that we're going to be doing in this video, which is buying like the necessities that we need for the flat. I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna buy the organizers for like cutlery. And as you can tell, the flat, or my room at least, is looking like as moved into as I can today. I have one more box to unload, but that's basically like stuff that I need to wash. So that's not gonna be tackled today, I think. I'm just tired of like moving boxes. But my room looks very nice. We have 2 night tables. I just cleaned some stuff under there. I'm gonna change the picture here. It looks a bit grandma-esque. Another night table. My closet, which you guys saw, is fully decorated, I guess. And I even put in this little rug for my bed, so that looks very cute. But I think the best part of the flat is like what we did to these. And there's definitely missing a lot of decorations, but it's gonna look super nice in the end. We desperately need something to put the cutlery in because currently it looks like this. So I'm gonna go out and buy that.
Nostalgia coming through when it's just me and you.
Okay, we're back with one bag. First, I got 4 table mats, just because this table is very standard, you know, it's like literally just a wood table. So I got these to spice it a bit up. And then I obviously got what I was supposed to get, which was some of these. They are just storage containers for cutlery. So let's put it all into this.
It's not the life we chose. It's not just me and you. We think of everything in blue.
And I'm gonna stop the video right there because a new video will be out in 2 weeks about decorating and organizing the flat. So stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!